Hello everyone, welcome to our today's session. In the previous session, we have already classified kingdom Animalia. That video link is in the description box. And to stay updated with my latest video, please subscribe and click the bell icon. And today's session, we are going to talk about the features of invertebrates. And I have made a simple chart by comparing each invertebrates and its characteristics. Now let's move on to our session. Firstly, let's compare the habitat of each invertebrates. Habitat means the living environment where those animals live. The first invertebrate is Cnidaria, where all are aquatic and mostly marine and few are freshwater. Then the annelids. They live in damp soil, marine, freshwater. Then the mollusk. They live in terrestrial, marine, freshwater. Then arthropods live in terrestrial, marine and freshwater. Then Echinodermata. They all live in marine. Now let's move on to the next feature. That is the shape of the body. Here we can't see the exact shape for each organisms, but we can observe a common shape for a particular phylum. So when we consider the Cnidaria, it has two forms. We call medusa and polyp. Medusa is a bell-shaped and polyp is a cylindrical shape. Then Annelida, it possesses a slender worm-like body. And mollusk has a soft body. Then when we consider the arthropods, it has various shapes. Then the Echinodermata. The body is separated into radial arms and it has a sharp spiny body covering, and some are star-shaped, cylindrical or a flower shape. Now let's move to our next feature. That is the germinal layer, which means that is a basic cell layer of an organism. So when we consider the phylum Cnidaria, it is diploplastic, which means it is made up of two layers, which has endoderm and the ectoderm. Then other than the Cnidaria, all the other invertebrates are triploblastic, which means it has three layers such as endoderm, mesoderm and the ectoderm. And the next feature that we are going to compare is the symmetry. So first we will see the symmetry of Cnidaria, that is a radial symmetry, which means we can divide with the regular parts through a central axis. Then the Annelida, Mollusca and Arthropoda are a bilateral symmetry, which you can divide into two equal halves. Then the Echinodermata. It is a pentaradial symmetry, and it is a type of radial symmetry and divided into 5 parts. By making a chart, you can understand it clearly. And the most important thing is you have to know the example for each invertebrates. So the other features will be discussed in our next video. Thank you everyone.